Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a package opening, so let's see what it is. Okay, so this is a craft. This is yes, it's Disney related, so let me show you what it is. This is, look, I don't know if you can see. See, oh my goodness, it's the Disney Castle. And this is part of the main street and the fireworks. So when I'm all done, this here is called a DIY, oh my gosh, what is it called? A diamond painting kit. So I can't wait to just, and it comes with everything you need. It comes with all the little diamonds. So let me pop this open so you guys can see. And I'm hoping to frame it and put it on my wall. So excited. Okay, so here's what the diamonds are. The different kind of diamonds. I'm not sure if you, oh, wrong way. All the different kinds of diamonds that you need, and it comes with the tray. Comes with the little tray that you put the diamonds in, and this is the glue that you use. And you use this little tool. And I'm going to, in my next video, not this video, obviously, I'm going to start working on it so you guys can see the process of it, and when I'm done, I will show you what it looks like. Comment down below if you ever tried this before, because I never tried it. So this will be my first time, so I'm super excited. Oh gosh, you can hear the Christmas music, guys. Sorry, that's just the clock that is playing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is all for now. And let's see. Take another look. See? And I'm gonna, when it's all done, I'm just gonna frame it and hang it up on the wall. I'm so excited. Okay, guys. I guess that's all for now. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready to start this DIY. Gonna get everything set up, and you're probably not gonna hear me talking much because I'm really too busy doing this. Sorry, you have to look at it. This little M here. So then you gotta go onto the side here, and you look for the M. M is number 17, and then you get these packages with diamonds, and you open them up. So now I have to look for number 17. Number 17 is the black. I think I might need some scissors to cut this open. So hold on, I'll be right back.